What are parrots? Parrots are colorful birds. They have curved beaks and strong legs. Parrots have 4 toes on each foot. 2 toes point forward, 2 toes point backward. The toes curl around branches. Their sharp nails help parrots climb. Where parrots live. Most parrots live in warm areas. Many sit in the canopy of the rainforest. Eating. Parrots eat fruits, flowers, and small insects. Their favorite food is seeds. Parrots use their strong beaks to crack open food. They also dig up meal with their beaks. Flocks. Parrots live in large flocks. The birds squawk to scratch of one another.
To
one another. The female build nests in tree holes. Chicks hatch from eggs inside the nests. A flock works together to watch for monkeys, snakes, and other predators. Fly away! Thank you for listening.